Kid in red says he's better than kid in blue. 0 out of 3 for kid in red. They're gonna make 3-pointers.
I'm used to this. Just when I make 3-pointers. Hey, right here. But if we, yeah, that might be on this hoop though.
Start the 3-point contest already.
But
He's already 0 out of 4. He got 2 chances.
do it on mine.
So it's 0 out of
Do
4.
it on mine. It's 0 out of 3.
It's 0 out of 4.
3.
No. All right,
Okay.
go.
Stop bouncing.
Go.
He's pretty good at my hole, bro. Sucks over here. Come on, dude. Come on, Nucky. Can we really start trying? Yeah. If we were to restart all this.
You're not trying?
No, 0 out of 5. No.
Yeah, I don't believe it.
God dang. Go on my help.
No, it's already here. 0 out of 5. I'm 0 out of 6. I think.
This, I'm just gonna stop recording because this is sad, man.
No.
You win. There. You
0
win.
out of 9.
You. Hey,
0
bro,
out of 9.
you win.
No. Only if I make 1, I win. 0 out of 9. This is the last one. 0 out of 10.
0 out of 10.
Yep. It's my turn.
God.
Ready? Ready? Ready?
Man, I swear if you miss all 10 like he did, I'm gonna laugh. Zero out of 1.
Watch the real message.
Watch out, bro. 0 out of 2. 0 out of 3. Brandon, what's happening?
He was doing it from right here. This is easy. Watch out, Sai.
I am
I
watching.
can't concentrate.
Up, he won.
That's fine.
Kid doesn't care that he lost. Just try to prove a point right here. He beat him in a 3-point
I wanna see
contest
if I
in
can beat him
basketball.
right
Hey, Mama.
This kid lost. That kid won.
Hey, me